Sometimes we can see that some videos about night sky will start moving. Most of them are captured by expensive camera, but we can do the same job with GoPro. GoPro need a little bit setting, then they are ready to go. First, switch to time lapse and editing the night lapse mode. Resolution change to 4K. Make sure we are using video format. ISO I choosing 800, but you can give a chance with 1600. I put all the settings on the screen here. After that, put the GoPro outdoor, start recording overnight. But I was living in a place with a lot of artificial light at night. If you can see more stars where you are, you can make a better video than I can.